Swing by any Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom location to learn how you can save hundreds of dollars on Bespoke. We are your bespoke source. Come check us out. We're gonna be able to help you choose the right size, the right features, and the right colors. So you don't have to sweat all the details. We'll do that work for you. Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you. Welcome back, friends. More Samsung Bespoke refrigerators. Bespoke is an entire line of appliances by Samsung, customizable colors in not only refrigeration, but we're seeing dishwashers, ranges, microwaves. It can be a little confusing because there are so many options. So I'm here to clarify how you shop for, purchase, and get these beautiful custom colors in your kitchen. All right, so there are 3 different types of refrigerators. They are quad door, which I have here. There's also a 4-door French door and a 3-door French door. Samsung also has what they're calling some columns. It's really more common in the European segment of their business, and they're not true columns because they're 70 inches tall, where a real luxury style column is above 79 inches. But they're calling them columns. It's an interesting concept because you can really build and customize exactly what you want. Now, when it comes to colors, you have all these beautiful colors. There's even more than this, but what you need to know is that they're available in glass and stainless steel panels. These panels are interchangeable, and you can choose the colors when you place the order. There are, well, let's see here, 5 colors of stainless and maybe 10 or 12 colors of glass. So stainless is black stainless and regular stainless. You also have navy or blue. There's a green color. There's Tuscan, which is a color they've had in their lineup for some time. And then there's the glass fronts. And this is actually the glass top. I'm glad that we have this refrigerator set up like this. This is a glass white, and this is black stainless or navy stainless. So you can see the finish is a little different as well. Things can get a little bit complicated because there are so many options. There is, in those 3 refrigerators, the quad door, the 4-door French door, and the 3-door French door, you can get that in standard and counter depth, so 2 different depths. You can also get them in 2 different water and ice configurations, This is the beverage center. This has the refillable pitcher, which I love, and I gotta tell you about this refillable pitcher. There's only one other manufacturer that I know of that's doing this, and that's in a very high-end column refrigerator, which costs thousands and thousands of dollars. So this is an exciting feature to see. You also have good old-fashioned fill your water. I like this because if you're just getting 1 glass of water, here you go, sweetheart, right? But if you need to get water for the whole family, it's ready to go. This is auto-filling. This is the beverage center. The other option would be the water pitcher and then additional storage. You lose this extra water dispenser. This is a several $100 upgrade to get this, and quite frankly, I think it's worth it. Okay, so 2 different depths, 2 different water, and to make things a little bit more complicated, you can get it with Family Hub as well. Family Hub, of course, is the built-in Alexa-driven laptop screen up here on this side. All 3 of those refrigerators have that option. That's exciting to have Family Hub. People who have Family Hub and use it all the time and use it to its full power, love it. You can listen to music, you can post notes, you can pull up recipes. There's all kinds of things that people do with Family Hub, and I think that's kind of an exciting feature. Now, if you have Family Hub, you have 2 choices of colors, white or black, on this door. You could customize this panel and the other 2 panels as well, if you wanted to, like on this quad door, but you have white or black. So if you're going Family Hub and you want those exciting colors, my recommendation would be to either have these 2 panels be white or black, and then you can really go crazy with these 2 bottom panels. We're seeing a huge demand for the 4-door French door because with that center panel, you can go with an extra color. So I think Samsung is showing off their tangerine. It's a really dynamic orange on the 2 upper, and then there's a white glass panel in the middle, and then maybe even a blue or a green, or black stainless on the bottom, and you can really have all these different colors to make your kitchen really pop. It's exciting. Now, it gets better because our sales staff has been trained on making sure that you get the right refrigerator with the right panels. We have them in stock. And not only do we have them in stock, we are your bespoke source because we have them in Autobox. Hopefully you're familiar with our Autobox program. Our Autobox program, we bring in appliances that either the box was damaged or there's a cosmetic blemish in a non-critical area, maybe on the side or the back. Manufacturers determine that we don't want to sell these to the big box stores. So we're able to buy these, and we're the experts in Autobox. Now, the exciting thing about the Bespoke system is because these panels are replaceable, you're guaranteed a new front. A lot of our Autobox in B and C condition might have a ding on a customer-facing panel, and that's why it's thousands of dollars off or hundreds of dollars off, depending on what refrigerator you're buying. You're guaranteed a new front because we're gonna put panels on there for you. And you're gonna save money on the refrigerator because it's not a box refrigerator. And we even have Autobox panels. So if you're shopping for Bespoke, you want that dynamic color, come in and talk to our salespeople because they can go look in our warehouse virtually through our very powerful search network that we've built. And they can see what refrigerators we have. If you need counter depth or standard depth, we have all of these different options in stock. And then you can choose the panels. And if we don't have the panel in Autobox, we'll order from Samsung that new panel for you. The panels are surprisingly affordable. I was looking up the prices. These smaller panels are $99. The large panel that goes on the bottom of a French door is around $150 or $180. It's initial investment to make your kitchen look beautiful, and then you're done. And what I like here is because these are interchangeable, if you do get a ding, you can replace that one panel. Funny story, a friend of mine did a remodel on his kitchen, and brand new refrigerator had a big ding in it. And he was pretty sure the plumber had accidentally hit it with a copper pipe, putting this ding, and he was able to get most of the ding out with like an auto puller, but he was kind of bent out of shape about that. Well, years later, his youngest son, admitted to walking by and punching the fridge because he always would do that with the old fridge and the new fridge. He punched it so hard it put a knuckle print. So if that were to happen, my buddy could replace that panel. If you haven't seen Cleat Crocker's video, he goes over all of the features, the premium features. This is a beautiful refrigerator. LED lighting, metal cooling, premium door bins. There's a ton of features in here, and it's a really nice unit. Make sure you check out Cleat's video because he goes into finite detail about all the ice options and just how well manufactured this refrigerator is. This is Chef Mark. I'm at Appliance Factory. Make sure you subscribe, click the like button, comment. Let me know what you think about Bespoke. I think it's fantastic. Thanks for tuning in.